Hi guys, hey, we're in Riverton, Utah at my newest listing. Come on in and check out this beautiful home. All right, you guys, welcome to your new home. This has single level living with a mother-in-law apartment in the basement. Check out all this open space. Follow me to the master suite with an awesome master bathroom. Welcome to your master suite, and check out this awesome master suite bathroom. Isn't that tile beautiful? So we are here in Riverton, Utah. I'm gonna take you guys downstairs to take 2 more looks at the master suites downstairs. Follow me. So this home has oversized bedrooms, you guys. We have 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and the thing I love most about this home is we have 2 suites in the basement. So you have nice sized bedrooms and these nice bathroom suites attached to these bedrooms. As I mentioned, it has an awesome mother-in-law apartment. Check out this kitchen, you guys, and the walkout. And check out the second master suite in the basement, you guys. Look at this bathroom. We have this nice tile work, Euro glass shower. It's gorgeous. Here in Riverton, Utah, come check us out. The information's in the comments. Christy Nelson, Keller Williams, and we'll see you soon.